What is the best method for measuring 1 gram without a scale?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to tackle a very interesting topic: how to measure 1 gram without a scale. While a scale is undeniably the most accurate way to measure weight, there are times when we need to make do without one. This could come handy when you're baking, cooking, or working on a DIY project.
Understanding the concept of 1 gram.
Before we delve into the method of measuring 1 gram without a scale, let's take a moment to understand what a gram actually represents. A gram is a metric unit of mass, which is quite small. For instance, a small paperclip or a pinch of salt weighs about a gram.
Using common household items as a reference.
One way to measure 1 gram without a scale is by using common household items as a reference. For example, a standard paperclip weighs about 1 gram. Therefore, if you have a paperclip, you can use it as a rough estimate of what 1 gram feels like.
Creating a DIY balance.
If you need a more precise measurement, you could try creating a DIY balance. This involves using a ruler and a fulcrum, like a pencil, to create a balance. You can place your item on one end of the ruler and a 1 gram reference item, like a paperclip, on the other. Adjust the items until the ruler balances, and you'll have a close approximation of a 1 gram weight.
Using water displacement.
Another interesting method is using water displacement. Water has a known density of 1 gram per cc. Therefore, you can fill a graduated cylinder or a measuring cup to a certain volume, say 10 milliliters, and then add your item. The amount by which the water rises corresponds to the volume of the item. If the water rises by 1 milliliter, the item weighs approximately 1 gram. However, this method assumes the item is not soluble or reactive with water. So there you have it, a few practical methods to estimate 1 gram without a scale. While these methods aren't perfect, they can get you pretty close in a pinch. I hope you found this information helpful and are now better prepared to guesstimate weight when a scale isn't handy. Stay tuned for more interesting hacks.